Olympic sprint hurdles champion Hansel Parchment says he is looking forward to clashing with fellow Olympic champion Omar McLeod at the Diamond League meet in Birmingham tomorrow. Parchment is the third fastest sprint hurdler in the world this year, having clocked 13.15 seconds, while McLeod is the fifth fastest with 13.22. Parchment says he hopes McLeod will be in good form at tomorrow's meet.
Well, that's my friend, teammate. You know, we always talk about trying to make, you know, a 1, 2, 3 at the World Championship. So I really hope that the other guys are, you know, are in form this year, and we can look forward to taking home all the medals to Jamaica.
As for his own performance, Parchment says he still has a lot to work on, but is looking forward to turning in a good time.
So far, I'm feeling good. I think I'm in good form. I still have a lot of work to do, but looking forward to execute a really good race and hoping to get a really lovely time on this beautiful track.
Olympic champion Sherika Jackson is one of 5 other Jamaicans who will compete at the meet. Johan Blake and Jackson contest the women's and men's 100. Rhonda White and Geneve Russell will go in the 400-metre hurdles, and Natoya Gould is set to run the 800 metres.